Chia Seeds benefits. Welcome to the world of Chia Seeds, a tiny superfood with mighty benefits. Today, we're diving into how these small wonders can aid in weight loss and offer a plethora of other health advantages. Chia seeds, derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, have been valued for their nutritional properties for centuries. But before that, subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you never miss a new video. Now, let's explore their magic, step by step. 1. Weight loss. Firstly, for weight loss, chia seeds are a weight loss ally due to their high fiber content. This fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, helping you feel full longer and reducing snack cravings. 2. Nutritional powerhouse. Packed with nutrients, chia seeds are a powerhouse. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, calcium, and iron. Just a small serving can significantly boost your daily nutrient intake. 3. Heart health. Chia seeds are heart-friendly. Their omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants contribute to reducing inflammation and improving heart health. 4. Blood sugar control. For those managing diabetes, chia seeds can help. Their ability to slow down digestion prevents blood sugar spikes, aiding in blood sugar control. 5. Bone health. Boost your bone health with chia seeds. Their high calcium content is essential for bone strength and density. 6. Easy to incorporate. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is effortless. Sprinkle them on yogurt, blend into smoothies, or add to baked goods. Their mild flavor complements any dish. Chia seeds are more than just a diet trend. They're a versatile, nutritious addition to any lifestyle. Start your journey with chia seeds today and embrace a healthier, more vibrant you.